In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tables in Google Sheets. Whether you're a seasoned spreadsheet user or just getting started, understanding how to format and manipulate data with tables can transform the way you work with your datasets. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets directly from your browser or by accessing it from your Google Drive. Once you've got a new or existing sheet in front of you, the process begins. Next, highlight column B. Clicking on the letter B at the top of the column will do the trick. This highlights the entire column, selecting it for any modifications we'll be making. After selecting column B, locate the $sign icon on the toolbar. This step is essential if you want to format your data as currency, especially if you're dealing with financial figures. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action automatically transforms the numbers into a currency format, making it easier to read and analyze any monetary data you may have. Now, while you're still in column B, an important aesthetic touch is to adjust its width. Hover your cursor between columns B and C, and you'll see a tiny double-headed arrow. Dragging this arrow allows you to expand or shrink the column width to better fit your data. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure all of your data is visible and neatly aligned. Moving on, let's select column C. Clicking on the letter C will highlight this column. And just like we did before, let's make another aesthetic adjustment. We're going to center align the data in column C. Up in the toolbar, look for the center alignment icon. It usually appears as a set of horizontal lines stacked towards the center. Click on it to center your data, which helps to provide a clean and organized look to your sheet. Continuing with column D, go ahead and click on it. This is straightforward and paves the way for our next action, copying. Once column D is highlighted, simply use the copy function. This can be done through the edit menu or by right-clicking the highlighted area and selecting Copy. Now head over to column E and click on it. This is where you'll paste the data you just copied. Use the paste function, which is available just like copy, through the right-click menu or the edit option in the top menu bar. Once your data is pasted, move to cell E2. Here, type in the word status. It acts as a header for the data we're about to create. Then, highlight cells E2 to E11. Doing so prepares these cells for the next feature we're implementing, checkboxes. After highlighting, go up to the menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Checkbox. This step provides each cell in the range with an interactive checkbox, ideal for tracking tasks or marking completed items. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added and formatted data using tables in Google Sheets, enhancing both the functionality and presentation of your spreadsheet. Keep practicing these techniques to make your data management more efficient and visually appealing.